Alright guys, today we're going to be doing the unboxing of Fly's nail cart. It's one of our verified sellers and I got my stuff the other day. I've been waiting to do this because I haven't got a chance to try it out yet. Wanted to wait and do it on camera so you guys could get a good idea of how it works. So first, everything that came in the box. There is the business card, which has a discount code for, I'm assuming, free shipping. It's kind of cute. I like that. I like the colors. It also came with these loose encapsulation glitters, which are actually really vibrant and pretty. I like that. Came with two little manicure kits with buffers and files, which you can't ever have too many of those, and a really nice shaping file. This is one of the extra coarse ones. Also, the little dotting tool and pen, or picker. Sorry, don't mind my hands. I was working on cars. Little picker and the rubbing tool for the decals and the gems and heavy glitter. I also got these really cool decals. It's the kind of drip Chanel ones, and I don't know if you can see these. These are the white Louis Vuitton decals. They're really cool. I actually really like these. They're a good size too, and it comes with a bunch on them. The other two glitters, most of the stuff was like Halloween fall themed. These are bats, black and orange bats, and these cool little pumpkin heads. So I'm going to try all this out so you guys can see it. I also got three very large jars of acrylic. This one looks kind of like pumpkin guts, gold and orange hexagon glitter, and like a see-through orange sheer acrylic. This one has a little touch of red and purple and gold stars and other shapes in it. We're going to try that one out. I'm not good with glitter, so you guys bear with me. And this one is like a shimmery silver. It's like a gunmetal color, like steel. I really like that. So we're going to check these out and save that one for last. Now let's zoom in so you guys can see. Now I try to wait until I'm on camera to try any of this stuff out so you guys can see exactly what it does for me. So you have a good idea of what it's going to do for you. Oh, also, came with this nail glue, which I gotta say, like, it glued the nails to this hand immediately and without any trouble. So that's my basis for what's good. If it sticks to these nail beds, I'm ecstatic. All right, we're gonna start with the pumpkin guts. Like, it looks like pumpkin guts to me. Let me go ahead and mix that up a little bit. I didn't mix them, so forgive me. At least I'm assuming that's how glitter works. Let's try this one. I assume the acrylic settles. I haven't done a lot of glitter acrylic, you guys know that. So let's try this purple one first. This one looks pretty sheer. It beads pretty well. There's a lot of glitter in there. Like more than I expected. Sorry, I'm using a different monomer today and I am not a big fan. It's the E-Nail Couture stuff. You guys know I usually use Sarah's Synod monomer, not this stuff. So bear with me because it's not working with me very well. That's really nice, actually. There's not a lot of clear space in it. It's clear acrylic, but like it's got quite a bit of glitter in it. It's not. There we go. Like it covers really well. Like every space is covered in glitter. It's laying pretty easily. Bear with me, guys. I don't do glitter acrylics a lot. Like, there's a lot of stuff in here. I was so excited. Like, I don't have a lot of fall stuff, so I was pretty excited. I like the little pop of red. Like, that's a nice touch. I like it. I don't know if she mixes this stuff herself or what, but she has this really cool neon cheetah acrylic on her, like neon cheetah glitter that I will be ordering because it looks so cool. It's really bright. It's clear with like really bright print. Print is the word I'm looking for. Don't mind me today, guys. My English is broke. So I'm having trouble finding my words. Yeah, this is covering really well, like, and the glitter's mixed really well. There doesn't seem to be like more of one thing than another, so it's coming out really evenly. I like it. And I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate it. Don't mind my dog, he's having a fit. Somebody dared to walk down our street. And not on his watch, buddy, not on his watch. So that turned out really well. Let me show you, let's see if I can show you how much clear space there is, which there's not much. You can see it pretty much covers all the way around. And it lays really well. It's not like super chunky. All right, let's move on to the orange one. All right, now this one, the glitter in this one's a little bit bigger, so bear with me here. Oops, I dropped my bead. Ignore me. We'll just cut that out later. All right, so the glitter in this one's a little bit bigger. And I am not good at picking up glitter acrylic, so ignore me here. There we go. Oh my god, how did I do that so bad? All right, one more time. All right, the glitter in this one is a little bit bigger. Go ahead and give this one a shot. Sorry, I'm really bad at this, you guys. It does look like pumpkin guts. Like it's got a sheer kind of orange acrylic to it. Like it's got a sheer orange tint to the acrylic. Put that down a little bit. Oh my god, I hate this monomer so much. It's like drying up on me immediately. All right. Nah, don't mind me. I'm really bad at this. I need a tutor. Like real bad. There we go. Alright, I got it. I think I did too much, but I got excited. And we'll get to see how this encapsulates. There we go. Alright, now it's working for me. I really don't like this monomer. Like, it's not soaking in my brush. So, if you guys have a chance to buy from E-Nail Couture, don't. Like, I hate it. And it doesn't smell like cotton candy like they said. So, you want to spread the glitter out. It actually laid really well. It's not all poking up, or you know what I mean? Like, it actually laid down. So. I like the orange. It looks like pumpkin guts. I'm a fan. I like it. And the gold is like a nice touch. I think the orange would have been like too much by itself, so that's really cool. If you guys want to tell me how to lay glitter acrylic properly, I'd appreciate that. But yeah, lays right down. It's not like sticking to my brush or anything. I'm cool with that. Alright, now I want to try the silver one. This one I know I can do because it doesn't have glitter. Like, it doesn't have big glitter. I'm so bad at that. So, okay, so I am so sorry. Like, maybe next time I'll have to ask how to use your products properly. I'm not good at this at all. Silver. This looks really cool. It's got like just silver shimmer in it, like not big glitter. Which, I mean, I don't mind the glitter. I like shimmer. Ooh, I like this. It reminds me of like the old Barbie shoes and purses. It's that kind of shimmer, you know. But it's not completely or opaque. It's kind of, but it's not sheer either. So I don't know how to describe it. It's got a little. It's almost opaque, but not quite. I just found out I've been laying acrylic wrong, so I'm trying the better way that Jasmine Torres taught me. So if you see me fumbling a little bit, that's why, because I'm totally relearning how to lay acrylic. Turned out I was doing it backwards that whole time and nobody said anything. Oh, I really like that. That's really nice coverage, and the shimmer is like just right. Like it's mixed really well. I really like this. This is nice. Oh, I missed a spot. Don't mind me, guys. I'm bad at this. I really like that. All right. Now I'm going to encapsulate that and lay some clear down here so I can lay this glitter down. The big glitter, the pumpkin glitter. Let's see how well this encapsulates. I'm using my SM Nail Candy Clear. So that I know how to work. And this is dry already. I like it. There's nothing sticking up past the clear. So it laid really well. There's nothing pokey or, laying the wrong way. And it shows really well through the clear. I lay a lot down, but because I know me and I lay horribly, so I have to file all that clear down. So far, I like it. I love the stars. That's really cute. All right, let's do the pumpkin guts, which now that it's drying, the gold is really popping. I like that. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. It looks so good under clear, which I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see it when I edit this. It really does look like pumpkin guts. That is so cool. And again, it shows up really good in the clear. I like it. I like it a lot. Don't mind how I lay acrylic, guys. You know I'm bad at this. Anyway, all right, let's try this one. Oh, that looks so good. You know once you lay the clear, it really pops. I'm in love with this gray. I don't even know what it's called. I didn't even check. It almost looks like car paint. You know, like when you look up close at the paint on cars, it's kind of got that little bit of shimmer with that nice silver gray. Look at that. Oh, I like that a lot. Okay. Now, on to glitter. I'm just going to do a thin layer of the clear to stick it on. I'm going to use the little pencil thing. Alright. Oh, I stuck my finger in that. Come on, Christy, get it together. Alright. I don't know how to use one of these, so don't mind me. Actually, I'm going to get the tweezers because I got two. Ah, I like that. That looks so cool. Alright, I'm going to do a couple bets. Alright, maybe I'm going to do a lot of bets. Oops, don't mind me. Some of them are black and some are orange. I probably should have left off the black, right? Let me get that orange one back. I like that. Those are adorable. Those are so cute. Alright, let's see. Alright. I didn't do that very well. Ignore me. Alright. Probably should have stuck it down first, but I'm being lazy. Like I did the pumpkins. Pumpkins are so cute. See, I did those ones right and they worked just fine. That's my bad. Really like that. Once you encapsulate, even the black bats show up on the black. They turn kind of a silverish color. I'm a big fan. I like bats. And like I said, I didn't have much for Halloween or whatever, so this was perfect. I love it. Look at the bats. They're so cute. Alright guys, I'm going to include links to this stuff down in the description. And a link to the website. And I'll probably tag her in this too. Altogether, I'm like super happy. This stuff is so cute. And it all worked really well. Well, except for me. I didn't work really well. Everything worked really well the first time. About as well as you can expect with me. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Or let her know, because I'll be tagging her in this. Thank you guys. You have a good day.